In this tutorial, you'll learn about periodicals. Newspapers, magazines, and journals are all types of periodicals. Periodicals are publications published at regular intervals. Some periodicals are more reliable and credible than others. What makes a periodical more reliable and credible than another? The peer review process. In the peer review process, an author submits his or her paper to a specific journal. The editor of the journal sends the paper out to reviewers who are experts in the field. The reviewers send feedback to the editor and recommend if the paper should be published. The editor considers the feedback and lets the author know if his or her paper will be published as is, published with revisions, or not published at all. Periodicals that follow the peer review process are called scholarly journals or peer-reviewed journals. Articles in scholarly journals have specific characteristics. Not only are the authors listed, but their credentials are listed too. Authors of scholarly articles cite their sources, so there's usually a long list of references or footnotes at the end of the article. Other characteristics of scholarly articles include the format of the article. There's usually an abstract, an introduction to the study, a discussion, and a conclusion. Other characteristics of a scholarly journal article are they have a serious appearance. They may include graphs, tables, charts, and data. There's no or very little advertising, and they're written for a specific audience. Another type of periodical is the professional or trade journal. Professional or trade journal articles aren't peer-reviewed, but may be reviewed by an editorial board or a single editor. They include advertising, and they're written for a specific audience. Another type of periodical is the magazine. Magazines have glossy covers, pictures, and photos. The articles may be unsigned, meaning there's no notable author, and there's lots of advertising, and they're written for a general audience. In review, newspapers, magazines, and journals are types of periodicals. Scholarly journal articles go through a peer-reviewed process. Scholarly journals are the most reliable, credible type of periodical. Scholarly and trade journals are targeted to a specific audience. Magazines are targeted to the general public. The end.